我哋從相遇、相識、相愛到相處，雖然只係好似冇幾耐之前嘅事，但係我好慶幸可以遇到你。
I could see it in your eyes from the moment we first met. There was something different about you. I couldn't see myself without you. Now I know what it is that makes me love you like I do. It's all that I've been longing for. I don't have to look for it anymore. You give me something to believe in, a hope that I can build on, a trust and a devotion. I'm caught up in emotion. Will I walk beside you? Will I give my heart away? Will I hold you in my arms at night? Will I bow my head and pray? Will I promise to be faithful? Will I do this every single day? Will I be there to protect you? Will I keep the vow I made? Will I give you all of my love? I say yes to all of the above. You can see it in my eyes when we are close together. The feelings that I just can't hide, things that my heart can't deny. Now I know what it is that makes me love you like I do. You're all that I've been longing for.
今日請應承我，以後喺你嘅名前面加上我嘅姓氏。我應承你，同你建立一個屬於我哋嘅家。應承你會盡我所能照顧你，將最好最開心嘅生活帶俾你。應承你會分擔你嘅唔開心同埋疲勞，無條件支持你，守護你。應承你，你每一個家人朋友都會係我嘅家人朋友，都會對佢哋好。朱允善，我愛你，等我一直帶你走落去，一直到老。
Will I do this every single day? Will I be there to protect you?
我請在場各人見證，我鄭浩維願意你朱允善為我合法妻子。
我請在場各人見證，我朱允善願意你鄭浩維為我合法丈夫。
你係我最重要嘅其中一個人，你要幸福快樂啊！
我同時並向你許諾，從今以後，無論環境順逆、疾病健康，我將永遠愛護、尊重你、敬愛你，終身不渝。